Hello everyone. Okay, now we are in Shenzhen OCT Loft. Let's have a walk tour around here and see what we can find. It's an artistic place. It's a really beautiful neighborhood. Actually, it's my first time that I'm here. So if you want to go out from the city, this one could be a good place. We came here for drinking some coffee. And here is the place. OCT Loft. So let's start. Wow. Look at these plants. Actually, I think this one was a place where there used to be factories, but they remodeled it. So it actually looks quite artistic, this place. Look at the Starbucks. Here looks a machine from a factory. I don't know for what they use this one. Here, wow, look at that buildings. Okay, let's walk a little bit here. It's actually, look, these restaurants or places, it's quite empty. Maybe after pandemic time, okay, all this business for sure bankrupt. There used to be, wow, quite huge. The pandemic destroyed everything here in China, especially all the cafes, restaurants, touristic attractions, all of that. They spent a really bad time during those 40 years, and now we are recovering. So we still suffering sometimes, even that is all free here. Oh, here is for drinking tea. Maybe it's a dim sum. Here they have the place and the equipment for drinking tea. So different dishes, duck, chicken. We have the lamb ribs. So please, if you like this content, give us a like, subscribe to the channel to help me to keep growing the channel. So actually now Shenzhen is quite okay. New city, was new developed city, quite new one comparing with other big cities, but they have really good buildings. Actually, yesterday we were walking around at night, so you can see the video in the channel. And here, taking pictures or videos. Okay, here we can see more people. Wow, this cafe is full of people. This one could be some restaurant that they are closed. I don't know if this one is a restaurant or a studio. Control Alt Delete. Okay, that is me. Okay, more coffee shops. So actually, this kind of, to use the old factories, the old communist factories in China, and make a tourist attraction is becoming quite popular. For example, in my city, we have one that you have some paddle courts. I don't know if you know that sport is like tennis with that you can play with the ball, with the wall. So if you want to watch a video of an old city, like for example in Yunnan we have one city that is called Luizhou. They used to have copper mines, but now that city is abandoned because the resource has ended. But now that place becomes a tourist attraction too. Maybe we enter from the behind of this place. Wow, look, numbers. Let's continue going around. Wow. So you can see a lot of art. So look, it has some graffitis. Yeah, a little bit weird to see this kind of things in China. Okay, as far as I read, this place has 60 million square meters or 60,000 square meters. It looks quite big, this part. Here we don't have so many shops. Oh, look at this building. Sorry. Oh. There. Look, and I'm mixing the languages Chinese and Spanish. So here more graffitis, a Mickey. But look at these buildings. Actually, it's not the new architecture in China. So this is like the old factories. The architecture, like you can see, the factories here. Quite interesting. Okay, for sure we have some copyright claims now because of the music. I hope not, but if I have it, it's alright. bookstore. So this kind of also coffee. So, oh, here another. I think this one is an art gallery or cat. Oh, look at this camera. Let's take a picture. Okay, I think secondary entrance, cafe shop, main entrance. Looks like we reached to the end, and let's go to the half plane. Let's go here. To see. Okay, here looks like it's their Xiaozu, where the people lives. Xiaozu, and we say it in Chinese, that is the community. I think the literal translation. So when you have a lot of buildings together, so that is how it's called Xiaozu. I hope that I explained what is a Xiaozu. 小区不是主 could be a pig. And here. Okay, so my friends, we have finished the walk today. So I hope that you like it. If you like it, please leave it in the comments. If you like these comments videos, please let me know. Also let it in the comments. Or which one do you like most? If it is the ambient sounds or with comments. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.